Coconut water, also coconut juice, is the clear liquid inside coconuts, fruits of the coconut palm. Coconuts hold the most water when they are young and green. Coconuts in different parts of the world do not taste the same. Pakistani coconuts are salty, and Brazilian coconuts have sweeter water. The water inside dark brown rotted coconuts is bitter. Drinking coconut water can be a part of a healthy diet as it helps you stay hydrated while being low in calories and being free of fats and cholesterol. Coconut water is a good source of several nutrients. Coconut water is the liquid found in the center of a young, green coconut. It helps nourish the fruit. As the coconut matures, which takes around 10 to 12 months, some of the liquid remains while the rest ripens into the solid white flesh known as coconut meat. 1 cup or 240 milliliters coconut water contains 60 calories, as well as carbs 15 grams, sugar 8 grams, calcium 4% of the daily value, magnesium 4% of the daily value, phosphorus 2% of the daily value, potassium 15% of the daily value. Daily value is how much of a nutrient you should consume each day based on a 2,000 calorie diet. Coconut water may have antioxidant properties. Free radicals are unstable molecules produced in your cells during metabolism. Their production increases in response to stress or injury. When there are too many free radicals, your body enters a state of oxidative stress, which can damage your cells and increase disease risk. Research on animals has shown that coconut water contains antioxidants that may help modify free radicals so they no longer cause harm. Coconut water aids in hydration. While comparable to sports drinks, which can be loaded with added sugars and flavorings, coconut water is low in calories and carbs. Those electrolytes of potassium, sodium and magnesium play a major role in coconut water's appeal. Because of the electrolytes, some studies indicate that it can help with hydration specifically related to exercise. Coconut water high in potassium. Most people don't get enough potassium in their diet. The mineral helps remove extra sodium from your body through your urine. Coconut water can even help lower blood pressure. Preliminary research indicates that coconut water may lower blood pressure in those with high blood pressure. However, if you are on blood pressure medication, it may be best to avoid coconut water as it could lower it too much. It's best to discuss this with your doctor. Coconut water may help lower blood sugar for people living with diabetes. Research has shown that coconut water can lower blood sugar levels and improve other health markers in animals with diabetes. Coconut water may help prevent kidney stones. Drinking enough fluids is important for kidney stone prevention. Although plain water is a good choice, 2 small studies suggest that coconut water might be even better. Kidney stones are created when calcium, oxalate, and other compounds combine to form crystals in your urine. These crystals can then form tiny stones. While some people are more susceptible than others, kidney stones affect about 12% of the world's population. One potential but apparently quite rare health risk arising from excessive consumption of coconut water is an overabundance of potassium in the blood or hyperkalemia, inducing acute kidney failure, heart arrhythmia, loss of consciousness and eventually death. Hyperkalemia and loss of consciousness after the consumption of several liters of coconut water were reported only as a clinical case study in association with one individual's use of a commercial product following physical exertion. The Food and Drug Administration has identified a risk of bacterial contamination in coconut water sold as raw.